Um, why is the sky blue?
Because the clouds are kind of whitish, and now, then the stars are kind of yellow, and then the sky turns blue.
Oh, why is the ocean blue?
Because the turtles are kind of green, and that's how it gets blue.
Oh, okay. Where does rain come from?
The sun drips from the clouds to, and then it turns into rain.
Oh, and where do babies come from?
I already told you, they come from houses.
Babies come from houses. Then why did my belly get so big?
Because baby was in there.
Oh, okay. What's your favorite kind of flower?
Daisies.
How do daisies grow?
You water them and then they grow.
Oh. Do they need anything else besides water?
You put seeds in them.
In the ground?
And then they grow.